Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today I'm telling you people, we got a Super Boss watch face that you gotta check out and share with other people. Pass this on, share it on social media. Get this watch face some exposure, right? The name of the watch face is called the Bretto Speedmaster Skeleton. Now, it's by a guy named Brett. I'm giving him 4 thumbs up in the door for uniqueness and creativity and for design on this watch face. The guy got down. Now, take a look at the watch face in the always on mode. You're gonna have this glow in the dark effect. It is gonna be a nice analog watch face that looks really cool. And when the watch face is on, I really like this look. I like the design. It looks kind of subtle, but let's have a look at it. Now, you got your date down here, and if you tap on it, you can pull up your calendar, of course. You got your heart rate information. You get your status on that as well. Again, you got a nice analog clock going on with a smooth second hand going around the bezel of the watch. And if you look over here to the right, you got some nice animation going on too. I really like the theme of this watch face. I like the layout and the setup. I thought it was very nice. Everything is very legible. And if I tap here, I can go into the hybrid part of this watch face, which is totally awesome. Double tap again, and it clears it all out. Brings up more of the inside of the watch, and I'm telling you, this guy really did his thing. Tap it again, and you get the dark mode effect. Very nice. Everything lights up green. Beautiful. What do you think, people? You gotta hit me in the comment section below. Let me know if you're gonna go download it. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And with that, people, we have gotten over the hump, and it's time to get ready for the weekend. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button on the way out, share it with somebody else. And if you wanna see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.